bad news. I don't think I can make it out tonight. I know, right? Me and some of the guys are probably going to the strip club, so I think I'm gonna go rub my face on some tits because I'm a man. Yeah. But no, it can't happen. I'm sorry.
Hey Morgan, it's Matt from accounting. I just wanted to call and let you know that I heard you're going out to dinner with Jason from sales, but if that doesn't work out, or if he gets in a car accident or something, then you could go out to dinner with me. Or maybe, go to a show, or grab a drink, or, I don't know, maybe grab a snack, even if you like snacks, or do some midnight gardening is fun. I've done that before. Just, anything at all with me. Just let me know. Hey Morgan.
Hi.
How's it going?
Good. I got your message. What are you doing tomorrow night?
Nothing. Nothing at all. How about you?
Obviously hanging out with you. What do you say we grab dinner tomorrow? Maybe at my place around 8 o'clock?
That sounds awesome. Sounds great.
Cool. So I'll see you then.
Yeah, I'll see you then.
Bye.
Hey.
Hi.
Thank you for having me over. I'm really glad we could get together.
Yeah, thanks for coming over to my apartment. Thank you for coming over to my apartment. You excited for dinner?
I am. Do you get to cook much?
When I can.
I try to, but I find that between preparation, cleanup, and the actual eating in the middle, that I can't find time for it,
Yeah, me neither. What do you say we just start with a bottle of wine?
Sounds awesome.
Okay, I'll just... We could probably use an appetizer.
Be great. Wow. Someone is prepared. That makes me feel ashamed because my fridge only has bacon and beer inside it.
Thanks, you have no idea.
Thank you.
Sure. What does that even mean? Do you dance?
When I'm drunk enough. Almost there.
Hey! We'll get there.
Because I'm an accountant, so I don't really get to dance that much.
I know, you did at that office party that time. It was good.
Yeah.
Oh, potato chips and guacamole. I'll get us more.
Is everything all right over there? Sounds like you're trying to kill your fridge.
You're funny. You know what? I think we can have the main course until we finish this whole bottle.
Oh.
Right?
Well, I guess we're drinking tonight, huh?
Yes, we are.
Excellent.
That was good. That was some good wine.
Yeah. Would have been a little better with some food.
Yeah? Well, maybe it's time for the main course.
Sure. Is there like a little gerbil in there just making some food for us?
You think you're so funny.
Is there something you want me to take a look at in there? Something going on?
No. You just sit right back down and don't move.
Are you sure? I just really want to see what's going on.
But actually, why don't we go out? We can go to this bar that's right around the corner and their kitchen's open late.
I don't know. You seem to be like kind of hiding.
Or a grocery store! We can go to a grocery store and then a liquor store. And just have real, normal food, like real, normal people.
I really want to see why you keep slamming this fridge, or why don't you just
Don't worry about it.
Why can't I just look and see what's going on? God, sorry. Just want to see what's. How did you know?
I didn't. I just kind of.
Sneaky little devil, you. This is my favorite meal. How long has this been in here?
Yeah, since you told me that that was your favorite meal, and I totally remembered that information.
Well, you know what? We're not going anywhere now.
Okay.
Nope. We're gonna stay right here. You grab yourself one of these awesome fries you got.
Awesome fries.
Fries.
Awesome fries. Worth it. It's worth it for
It's
the
totally
art.
worth it.